How to tie the halyard hitch. Pass the working end over the object you want to tie the halyard hitch to. Pass it over once, go around once, take enough through to actually tie the knot. It's slightly knot hungry, this one. Go over again, and then finally go over for a third time. Once we've done that, we then take the working end and we pass it around the back of our standing end. Pass it round the back of our standing end, and then take the working end and pass it underneath these 3 turns that we've created here. So just lift it up, pass it underneath, 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 pull the excess through, get it nice and tightish, but you still want to work with it. And now that we've done that, we then take the working end and bring it round, and we pass it underneath this left hand one here. So pass it underneath this left one here, and then go ahead, dress it smartly, draw it up nice and tight, and there we have it, 1 in number halyard hitch.